Hello, welcome to SideQuest, and I'm Blue. I'm gonna be voicing over my first completed drawing, and let me tell the history behind it. So basically, I was making this drawing during testing, and y'all know testing is just like pure cheeks, man. But you can make some of the best drawings during testing, and this was one of them. And I was like, oh, this looks good. So I took the drawing to IBS Paint and started coloring over it. As y'all can see, I totally did not draw the shoes, as I'm telling you. I'm too lazy to draw shoes, and if they do, I do end up drawing them. It's not gonna look good. But oh my god, my imagination with clothes is absolutely terrible. I'm not the type with fashion. But after seeing like my drawing, I think I did pretty good as it's one of the first ones I ever completed. You should really check out our channel, SideQuest, and I'll see you guys another time. Bye!